Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to present an in-depth analysis of coffee and tea consumption trends across 5 major cities in Australia.
My name is Abelia Prastiani.
In this presentation, I will explore 3 key areas. The first is preference for fresh coffee and tea in the last 4 weeks, and the second is preference for instant coffee and tea in the last 4 weeks, and the third is frequency of visit to coffee for coffee or tea in the last 4 weeks. In this chart, we observe the percentage of people who book fresh coffee and tea in the last 4 weeks across 5 major Australian cities. Sydney take the lead with 44%, reflecting its strong coffee and tea culture and the city's numerous artisanal coffee and coffee shops. Melbourne follows closely with 43%, showcasing its well-known reputation as a coffee and tea lover's paradise. Hobart, with 38%, demonstrate a substantial interest in fresh coffee and tea, indicating a growing coffee scene in Tasmania. And the next, Adelaide, at 34%, shows a solid preference for fresh coffee and tea, while Brisbane rounds out the list with 33%. The next slide, let's shift gears and take a look at instant coffee and tea consumption. In this chart, we observe the percentage of people who book instant coffee and tea in the last 4 weeks across 5 major Australian cities. Hobart leads the pack with 54%, indicating a strong preference for the convenience and quick preparation that instant coffee and tea offers. Brisbane follows closely with 53%, reflecting a similar trend among its residents. And the next, Adelaide, comes next with 50%, showing that half of its population opts for instant and coffee, highlighting its popularity in the city. Melbourne, at 48%, also demonstrates a considerable preference for instant coffee and tea, while Sydney runs at the list with 46%, suggesting that while instant coffee and tea is less popular here compared to other cities, it still holds a significant share of the market. Move into the last trend, let's delve into the vibrant world of coffee culture. This chart shows the percentage of people who visit a cafe for coffee or tea in the last 4 weeks across 5 major Australian cities. Melbourne leads with 63%, showcasing with vibrant and renowned coffee culture that attracts both locals and tourists. The second, Hobart, follows closely at 62%, reflecting a strong appreciation for cafes and the social experience they offer. Sydney is at 61%, highlighting its bustling coffee scene and the importance of coffee and tea in the daily lives of its residents. And the third, Brisbane, comes next with 56%, indicating a significant but slightly lower engagement with coffee culture compared to the top 3 cities. And the last, Adelaide, is at 48%, suggesting a more modest yet still notable preference for visiting coffee. Based on the information provided, we can conclude that Melbourne has the highest interest in coffee and tea among the 5 major Australian cities. The second, reflecting a strong preference for both coffee and coffees. Sydney take the third position, showcasing high interest in fresh coffee and coffee visits, although it shows a slightly lower preference for instant coffee and tea compared to other cities. On the other hand, Adelaide shows the lowest interest in coffee and tea, whether it is fresh coffee, instant coffee, or visiting coffee. Brisbane ranks second lowest, indicating a lesser interest in coffee and tea compared to the top 3 cities.